G'day everyone, Aaron here, and today I'll show you how to change the axle on an HSP two-wheel drive car and a lot of others as well. The Mongoose, Crusher, Viper and Storm represent some of the best value for money cars in the RC world. And we've already done videos on how to change the steering servo, how to change the spur, the idler gear and more. But how does one go about changing the wheel axle? Watch on. Here's what we need. The replacement axle, of course. We have our own brand of HD spring steel upgrade axles, and that's exactly what's going on. Some kind of wheel wrench, some pliers, and a small flathead screwdriver. There are more specialized tools available to do the job, but we're going to be using these as they are more likely to be things people have at home already. Start by removing the wheel with the wrench. Now we're going to take off the wheel hex. Use the small flathead screwdriver to prise the hex off, revealing the drive pin. Carefully take out the drive pin. Use pliers if you like. Don't drop it or it'll somehow scoot 20 meters away into another room under a cabinet. Now, using the pliers, pop the upper link off the ball joint on the hub. Some cars will have an upper hinge pin screw to remove, but these HSP cars just have a ball joint. You can now take out the old axle and replace it with the new one. This is also a great chance to quickly inspect the hub bearings and add a couple of drops of oil if you feel like it. Pop the ball joint back on. Put in the drive pin, and when putting the hex on, line it up in the proper position. If you feel like it, this is a good opportunity to upgrade to aluminium hexes. These are tougher and you can tighten your wheels down harder, but not too tight, without them binding up on the hub. This can help prevent rounding out the hexes and damaging the wheel. Take a moment to admire your mechanical genius and make sure everything is together properly. And that's it. With the wheels back on, it's time to go for a bash. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.